If you clicked on this video, I assume you're building one of your first projects and you've just landed on a problem. Now you don't know what the message means, so you're watching this video to learn how to debug your code. And that's what I'm going to be teaching in this video. I'll be teaching you 3 methods of debugging that I personally use to debug my own code. Also, before trying any of these debugging methods, the terminal outputs an error message every time you hit an error, so be sure to copy that before starting. The first method is to debug using the error message, because sometimes the error message can be really simple and straightforward, and if it's Python, it even shows you which line is causing the error. So sometimes you can just debug using the error message itself. The second method is to use Stack Overflow in order to debug. If you don't understand your error message, you can just paste it in the browser, and more often than not, you'll just find a Stack Overflow page of someone having a similar problem to you. And if you cannot find a Stack Overflow page, GitHub and Reddit pages could work just as well. Just look through the page and follow whatever the answer details. The third method is to use documentation. Now this is the hardest one, because I can't really tell you how every documentation looks and which buttons to press. But in general, all you need to do is look at the piece of code that's throwing the error and search it up in the documentation of your technology. And once you find that piece of code, you can see all the prerequisites required for that code and how the syntax should look like. So that way you can debug your own code. That's it for today's video, and if you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing, because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.